Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. In this episode, we're diving into the word attend, an A2 level verb that means to be present at an event or place. This is a fantastic word that you'll find yourself using often, whether you're talking about school, work, or social gatherings. Let's start with a quick definition. To attend means to go to an event, meeting, or place. For example, you might say, I will attend the wedding next week, or did you attend the class yesterday? It's a versatile and straightforward word that fits neatly into many everyday situations. Now, let's look at some synonyms. Words like participate, join, and be present are great alternatives to attend. For instance, you could say, I plan to join the meeting at noon, or she loves to participate in workshops. These words can often be used interchangeably, depending on the context. On the other hand, antonyms for attend include miss, skip, or avoid. For example, he decided to skip the party because he was tired, or I had to miss the concert due to work. These words give the opposite meaning and are helpful when you want to express that you didn't or won't be present at something. Let's bring attend into real-life conversations. You might use this word when discussing your plans, like, I'm going to attend a workshop on Saturday, or when talking about responsibilities, such as students are required to attend every lecture. It's also common in formal invitations, where you might see phrases like, we hope you will attend our annual meeting. Here are a few more examples to lock this word in your memory. She couldn't attend the meeting because she was sick. Will you attend the conference next month? They always attend the local farmers market on weekends. As you can see, attend is a very practical word for describing presence at a variety of events and places. That's all for today's episode. Let's quickly recap. Attend means to be present at an event or place. Synonyms like participate, join, and be present can be used in similar contexts, while antonyms like miss, skip, and avoid convey the opposite meaning. Try using attend in your conversations, or even in writing this week. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear how you're using attend. So why not create your own sentence and share in the comments? Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you soon.